How to beat anyone with the elephant gambit. E4, E5, knight F3, then D5. They take on D5. Then I attack the knight. The queen then pins the pawn, defend it with the knight. They attack the pawn again with the knight. Simply just develop your bishop. They take the pawn. I then take on D5. I may be a pawn down, but we have compensation. I am able to castle and my pieces are active, whereas the opponent's king is trapped in the center. This can get very dangerous for white if they do not know the correct moves. They play D4. I castle. Bishop D2 and rook E8. Now I have a clear plan. Attack the knight so I can move my bishop and have a discovered attack on the queen. The opponent castles and I play F5. They move the knight to C3. White is now in trouble. I capture the knight, and regardless of how white responds, we win a queen. If they take with a pawn, give a check with the bishop and take the queen. If they take with the bishop, same thing again, check with the bishop and win a free queen. You are welcome. Follow for more chess content.